Plutch's back at it again. How to play LittleBigPlanet on PC and how to fix LittleBigPlanet Infinite Loading RPCS3. Here we go. Step 1, let's download our files. Links all in the description, but here I'll show you how to do it. Choose whatever your operating system. We're going to download. I already have it. I don't need it, but there it goes. It downloaded. 2, search up Sony Hardware and Repairs. This is in the description. Click that. Go to Consoles, PS3, System Software Update, Update using computer. Click that. Now, update using computer. Instead of left clicking, nothing will happen. Right click, open this menu, save link as, download that file. I'm downloading to the desktop for easy access. It's going to say it's going to block it. We're going to keep that file. There it is, PS3 update. Now you have these two files on your desktop. We're going to make a new folder for RPCS3. So we'll do PS3 software. We're going to move that first download into this folder. Open that folder. And now unzip it. Extract it. If you don't have 7-zip, I'll link this in the description. Choose your operating system. Open the exe file. Go through the installation wizard. Everything's real quick and you can unzip. Now come back here. Open this exe file. It's going to download everything. You can create a shortcut for the desktop. Click you have read it. Do not show again. Continue. Now here, it's going to make your shortcut. You can close this out of your file explorer. Now you have this open. You're going to go to File, Install Firmware. This is where this update file comes into play. Go to your desktop. Click on that update file and open it. It's going to automatically install that firmware. Once it's done, it's going to open up a new menu and install whatever these are. You can delete this file now. And now we need to have a game to download. So, link is in the description. When you come to this website, click PlayStation 3, search up LittleBigPlanet. Now, it's going to show you the region. I'm in the USA. I'm going to click LittleBigPlanet. Download. It's a very big download. You're going to download. It's a whole game. It's going to take a little while. For me, I already have it downloaded on my desktop, but you're just going to download that while this is going in the background. This is the download. We're going to make a new folder for this game. Games, PS3. Move this file into this folder. Now open it. You can extract this using the same method. You can 7-zip, extract here. It's going to take a little bit while we open up this again. It's almost done. Here we go. While that's going, it's done now. While that's going, we can go to the configuration. Now when I click CPU, we can go through all the settings. What I recommend you do, make sure graphics device is correctly selected, and do not click the default resolution. Do not change this, but change the resolution scale. I'm on a 1080p monitor, but what I had to do was go to 1440p. Also, for LittleBigPlanet, I had to click right color buffers. Apply and save. Now that that's done unzipping, we can go back to RPCS3 file, add games, and we're going to look for your games folder. Games PS3 is our folder. Select the folder, and you can add desktop shortcuts, whatever. I'm not going to do any of that. Press OK, and now here's your game. Now, when you play it, it's going to load forever, and it's also going to say that there are updates available, and you need to update to 1.30 to get rid of the infinite loading screen. Now, I'm going to show you how to update it, and closely follow this step, because if you mess this up, then you might have to redo everything. And we're now going to go to another website to download all the updates. Now, this will be in the link in the description. Look up LittleBigPlanet. We're going to scroll down to the version we have, which is the USA version. Here it is, USA, the disk version, okay? Not the ones that just don't have any disk, or the ones that say disk. You're going to download 2, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, up to 30, okay? It's going to skip from 2 to 18, that's fine, but everything else you need to download in between. So you're going to have a couple of files. What they're going to look like is like this. These are .zip files. 0.2, 18, 19, 20, 21, all the way up to 30, okay? Now, what you can do, you can mass extract them using any extraction tool of your choice. Extract here. I'm going to do that all. And now it's going to download all these. These are all the update files. Now, you can't really tell which one's which, but it tells you when you try to update it. So here's how you update it. So I'm going to guess that this is the first one, but you can just see. If you open RPCS3 and drag one of the files, it's going to tell you, do you want to install? And it tells you which version it is. So we're on 1.01. We need to install 1.02 right after, and this is the correct one. We're going to click yes. It's going to install. Okay, ignore all that. Now, icon's going to change when you still need to update. This one's done. Now we need to go to 18. Is this correct? 1.18. We need to install that one. It's going to update. Okay, 1.18. Now going on to 19. And your version is completely updated. Before you start playing though, unless you want to use your keyboard, we're going to go to pads to use your controller. So for player 1, the handler is going to be on keyboard. You can click it and choose whichever controller you have. X input for Xbox, DualShock for PS4 or PS3. But make sure you click these and change it to the correct controller, or else your controller won't work. Make sure to save and exit out of that. Now you can open it. When you first run the game, this is going to start and compile everything for you. It might take a little bit. Won't happen. It won't take as long the second time over. And when you're actually in game, the shaders will compile and it might lag a little bit at first. Second time you play it will work fine. But other than that, whenever you want to play the game, if you downloaded the desktop shortcut, you can use that. Or you can open up RPCS3, which is what I like to do. Open this up and just click it through here like I did before. And that is how you play LittleBigPlanet on PC. Whenever you want a full screen, double click. Exit full screen, use your mouse, double click. And have fun. Thank you for watching.